Welcome to this Library Online Bite-Size session, which will give a short overview tour of the RCSI Library website. The RCSI Library website is our go-to space for details on our services and access to our resources. The link is available here, rcsi.com/dublin/library. You will see when you arrive on the page, on the right-hand side is our LibChat feature. You can use this to ask quick questions which will be directed to a library staff member and answered during office hours. As you scroll further down the page, you will see details of the opening hours of the several sites which comprise RCSI Library. Click on More to find out details of the opening hours of these sites and how to access them. As you scroll further down, you will see a list of quick links that we have put together to our most popular services. Key links to pick out here are our A to Z of resources, which links to the main library databases and other resources that we recommend. Also of note here is the link to our LibGuides, which are how to support documents based on common queries we have been asked in the library over the years. Other links to pick out here are our library book catalogue, our link to booking a group study room, our e-journal portal, which allows you to search for a particular e-journal title, and our RCSI Open Access repository. As we scroll down the page, you will notice several portals. There's a portal for students, for researchers, for educators, and for clinicians. And in these portals, we've batched together the resources most relevant to these four user groups. As we scroll down further, you will see the link to using the library, which provides details on book borrowing and library policies. As we scroll further down, you will see there is a link to our collections portal, which allows you to browse both our online and physical collections. If you'd like to learn more about the library and its areas of expertise, you can click on this About button. At the very end of the website are our media channels, which we welcome your engagement and your follows. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please email library@rcsi.ie.